wind got stronger, y'all. The wind got stronger. Wow. Hello. Oh, I think I see a tornado. I think I see a tornado. Let me stop. What if I did see a tornado? All right, whatever. The tornado will be right there, and it will knock down this tree, and it's gonna collapse like that. Wait, oh, here's what the wind doing on this in this yard, and I think it's raining. Oh shoot, that's a strong wind though. Let y'all see it. See? Wow, look at that. It's raining now. Wow. It's raining. It's raining now. Wow, y'all. Y'all, what the? So, the cold front. I think it already hit 21 miles per hour already. It had to. So now when I go check the Weather Channel app, it should be 21 miles per hour. Or it should be getting windy. Because if it's not windy right now, then I don't know what it takes to get windy. Wait, well, you got strong breezy. Probably it's just really breezy, strong with a strong breeze. With windy conditions, I say at 20 miles per hour. And it's almost 20 miles per hour. But I say it's like a strong breeze. 20 miles per hour. Strong breeze. Yeah. Yeah, that's all we've been talking about in this video. Wind. How about the thunderstorms that's coming? There's a thunderstorm coming, y'all. And I have to save room for that storm. Yeah. And I'm going to have to take a breakfast break. Wow. This wind got worse. Hello, everybody. I just got back from a breakfast break. Yum, yum, yum to my tummy. And the winds are blowing really, really hard now. It just got done raining again. And when it was raining, the wind picked up a whole lot. But I don't think the storm is here yet. And this is not even the worst of it. This is wind. The most important meal of the day is complete, y'all. What the world? Boy, what though? Y'all check them trees out. I just got back from a breakfast break. Wow. The wind's blowing fast. Things are getting bad out here. Things are getting bad. Woo! Oh shoot, that's a loud banner wind. Woo! Wow! 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 Wow, y'all. Y'all, we are finally, y'all, guess what, y'all? A severe thunderstorm warning is close, y'all. It's close. It's that way. The severe thunderstorm warning is that way. It's to our west. It's to our west, y'all. That's where the severe thunderstorm is at. And that's where the cold front is coming from. That way, to our west. Yeah. We have now rose up to 22 miles per hour. We will be rising up to 23 shortly. So we're 22 right now, 23 shortly. So the winds are increasing very fast. I don't know, y'all. The wind is only up to 22 miles per hour. It is supposed to get up to 27 with thunderstorms. Is that the sun I see? Hold on, I'm gonna be still and let y'all see the sun. Don't go blind. I'm going blind. Ugh. I'm going blind. Y'all, the sun is out. That don't happen often. Really? I meant to say something else. You know what I meant. Not like that. Look, got dangerous clouds. And here come the wind. Whoa! Y'all, I think I just heard a tree fall. Y'all, I just heard a snap over there, y'all. I just heard a snap. Look at this effing, look at this freaking wind. I just heard a freaking snap from over there. Are you kidding me? The wind is about to get up to 27 miles per hour. What are you supposed to do about this? The wind is only up to 22 miles per hour right now, y'all. The wind is only... Oh, Lord, what? Yo, what the... Oh, Lord. With the wind in the trees, I love the wind. I love the wind. With the wind in the trees, blowing everywhere. Everywhere I go, there's wind, wind, wind. I love the wind. I love the wind. I'm working on my vocal cords. Oh dear. How do you work on your vocal? Wait a minute. Don't say that. You gotta have confidence. Y'all, this wind is scaring the jack out of me, y'all. The bootlegged Thomas. Y'all, look at this wind. Look at this. Holy crap. Holy crap. Y'all, I'm gonna have y'all. I might go ahead and end this video, y'all. I might just go ahead and end this video, y'all. And look at this. Severe thunderstorm warning. Headed closer and closer to my area, y'all. Eastern North Carolina.